In this section, we will connect Google Gemini Chat Model to n8n Gemini. Type Gemini. Will see to Google Gemini Chat Model, Google Vertex Chat Model. We will select Google Gemini Chat Model and connect with there. Create credential to connect with. Click and you can see create new credential. I will click new credential. It will pop up a new window. API host name and API key. Host name is predefined and API key we need to set our project. For this purpose we will need to do two things. One, create Google Cloud API project, and second thing, AI API key. In the open docs we'll see open docs link. We will see Google Credential. We will click on Google Cloud account and try Vertex AI. Yes, Google top on this menu. We will see all project list. We will create new project. Name as Gemini API n8n. Select project, agreement and continue. We'll create API and services, API and credential. Have in the top create credential. API key, creating API key. API key created, and here project basic website and don't restrict key and some other setting. Now we will go ai.google.dev site and create a enable model with Google AI Studio Explorer model. On top, get API key, create apply API key, search our existing project and create API key with this project, generating API key. Yes, API key created. Just copy and paste to our n8n API key field and save. Yes, successfully connected. Then we will test our chat model, it's working or not. Back to our workflow. It says project cryptocurrency advisor. We will get advice from our own AI using Google Gemini Chat Model. Yes, we get our advice. And this video.